It'd be cool if they did more of these. Wow, look at all the people. All right. Note to self, Friday morning is not the morning to be riding through the Smoky Mountains. I won't be doing a Friday morning again. You know that's not true. I probably will do another Friday morning. I changed my schedule, so I have Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday off. Technically, I have every day off. This being retired thing, this is great. I go into Amazon for 5 hours in the morning, get my 5 hours in, 10,000 steps, get your packages in their bags, ready to get on the truck to head to your house. But I have to admit, I do like being on the road in the morning by 7 a.m. That's the one downside with being at Amazon till 9 o'clock. By the time I get home, get a shower, get on the motorcycle, it's 10 o'clock. That's when all the people are getting up, getting out of their hotels and stuff, clogging up the roads. There are still enough back roads that the tourists will never find. It sure isn't this road. Man, this road gets busy sometimes. The last time I did this road in a car, I think it took us an hour and a half to go from Cherokee to Pigeon Forge. It was a tiny bit painful. Doing it on a motorcycle just ruins any kind of perception of how long it takes to get from point A to point B. Motorcycle just makes it fun. The miles just click away underneath you. You get to see more on a motorcycle also. I feel sad for all the people in their cars that are coming into the Great Smoky Mountains. You're trapped in that cage inside one of the most beautiful places on earth. Wind is rolled up. Probably not listening to XM radio, because it's going to be spotty up here with the trees and the mountains. Where are they from? They're from Virginia. Virginia is for idiots. Keep voting Democrat, you dummies. They're from North Carolina. In Florida. They're one of the 5 people that bought a Wagoneer. More money than sense. Now we're coming out of the Great Smoky Mountains. This road up here on the left, you absolutely, if you're here on a motorcycle, you absolutely need to turn left here. It takes you into Townsend, Tennessee, where all these cars are turning. Not really the visitor center, but take that road right there, skip the visitor center, just keep on riding. I promise you miles of smiles. So, alright, we are out of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. I'm going to end the video here because I'm going to turn off and head to Pigeon Forge, and y'all don't want to see that. They're from Arkansas. I got Wisconsin in front of me. Hopefully they don't go to Pigeon Forge. Hopefully they go to Gatlinburg. But right up here, I don't know if you can see it yet. It's coming. It's coming. We're going to head to Pigeon Forge. And I'll talk to y'all on another one. Bye-bye.